I ain't drunk. I'm just drinking.
But you're so high.
Oh man, you know I ain't high.
But you're so high.
Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then.
But you're so high.
You ought to be ashamed of
Stay
yourself.
drunk all
Oh,
the
come
time.
on now, you all don't feel like that.
Bam! Hey kids, happy Thursday night. Oof. I just got a quick overview for you. Yeah, been a long week. Anyway, got some whopper builds coming up. One of which is going to be tomorrow or Saturday, and then my brother Lincoln David down south, he's actually getting 4 or 5 of my frames to do the finish on, because Lincoln and I are, partners in the gallery builds and some of them, where they've got anything that has a custom finish on it, bam, he does them. He's a fucking amazing guy. I love him. Anyhow, I wanted to just do a quick overview of the frame that I'm building up tomorrow or Saturday. And here it is. Whoosh. This is the SpaceOne Aurora stretched 5-inch. Okay? This is a bad little frame. Look at that. Bam. This thing, look at that, does not bend. I mean, it's insane. Now, you guys always hear me drone on about rigidity and elasticity and things like that. And you have to have the perfect blend of both. If you ask Bardwell, he probably says something completely opposite because he thinks that you have yaw issues with vertical arm frames. But anyway, he probably has a problem with anything that doesn't have his name on it. So anyhow, this thing is very, very cool. Very, very thick as well. Let's see what we got. I think it's 5s. Yep. 5 mil arms. And it's just, I built 5 mil thick arms, or birds before. This thing is insane. And my brother Pete, Space FPV in the club, is the one that turned me on to this. And I'm going to be building a 3-inch version of this too in a couple weeks, maybe a week. Whenever the frame gets here, I've got all the stuff. So the only thing I don't like about this is this whole thing. This cutout's kind of cool. I think the camera mount is really gay looking. And I don't know what they're thinking, if this is like some place to worship, like a temple, because look at how high this thing is. I mean, it's insane. It's 30, what do we got? 35 mil ceiling to floor. That's stupid. I think the thing looks dumb as hell. I really do. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to slam it. So I'm going to get rid of this camera mount because I think it looks stupid. Or I'm going to modify it, one of the two. And I'm going to change the standoffs, put, it's going to be a big gallery build. It's going to be, neat. But it's a bitchin' frame, and it's like $40. I'll put a link down in the description. I just wanted to do something different, that's not, I freestyle the crap out of things. And I thought, we'll build a little race frame thing. And I think it's going to be good. I do. After it's modified a little bit. I think it's going to be sharp. I think the standoffs that come with it, one of the problems you have with tall standoffs is you get, the taller you get, the weaker it gets. So I'm going to shorten these to 20 mil probably, maybe 22. Not these particular, I'm going to use totally different standoffs. 22 mil, and then I use extended screws. So if I have let's say a 20 mil standoff, I'll use a 10 mil on the top and a 10 mil on the bottom bolt. So by the time it goes through the frame and through the top, you basically have just like a little tiny gap in the middle here that doesn't have a bolt through it. It gives you a little bit more added strength. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's see what it says on the scale that tells no lies. Bam! It's fucking cold out here. I don't know if you can see my breath. Yeah, nasty. Bam, 69, and it's going to get lighter because I'm going to take shit off of it. So pretty sweet. But we're going to do some custom stuff to it. It's going to be bad in the bone. So that video should be up Saturday. And then if it turns out like I believe it's going to turn out, we're going to do gallery shots of it too. It's going to be very nice. So until then, take care, kids. Keep shining side up. Bye.
Bam, JJ. Bam, JJ. Hope you like fishing.